Hi, my name's Fred Brinks. It's December 9th, 2011. This is a table saw I designed and built from scratch. I retain all rights to it, and I hope you enjoy the video. This is to introduce the prototype of a brand new miniature table saw that is potentially the best available on the market anywhere. It's a 4-inch, uses a 4-inch blade here. It's set up with a 1/4 horse motor in the back, but you can put any size motor on it you like. 1/4 horse is probably optimum. This is a sliding table for crosscuts. This is the miter gauge. Turns to any angle. This is the stop. It's adjustable, so you can adjust it to a perfect 90. The other stops up here are infinitely adjustable. You can put them wherever you like. That adjusts the precision of the angle so you can get it perfect. This is a repeat gauge for making the same cut over and over. You can put it anywhere you like. Table tilts to put a new saw blade in. You simply remove the nut and washer, and you can put in any 4-inch blade you like. This is the rip fence. This is the digital rip fence. This is a digital readout. Can you see the numbers? It reads out in thousandths of an inch, so you can rip with extreme precision, and you can rip to the same dimension over and over again. In other words, you can move the fence and then move it back to its original setting repeatedly. Extremely accurate. This is the fine tune for the rip fence. It adjusts it in relation to the blade. You can move it in or out slightly, so you end up with a perfect cut. And then this is the height adjustment for the blade. You simply turn this and it raises or lowers the blade, so you can do it very, very precisely. The entire saw is put together with screws, so it can be taken completely apart. That gives access to the bearings. And the arbor is adjustable from side to side, so you can fine-tune the blade opening. This is the stock rip fence. Very common, standard. Simply slides back and forth, locks like that, and once again that's the adjustment for squaring the fence with the blade. This stock rip fence simply replaces the digital rip fence attachment. Very simple to do. This piece, this goes into the back of the rip fence and clamps the end of the fence down firmly to the table. That allows you to rip very, very fine stock without it sliding under the fence. This is a piece of basswood. It's cut to a 1/72nd scale, 2-inch thickness, with the digital rip fence. The digital feature allows you to dial in any dimension you like using the readout and the precision of the saw will do the rest.